The Orotta Post-graduate School officially opened yesterday here in the capital. A full report will follow.
Okay. Okay. Haile, you want to do the other one? Okay. Where's the money?
The Orotta Post-graduate School officially opened yesterday here in the capital. Speaking at the opening ceremony, the Minister of Health, Mr. Saleh Meki, pointed out that the ministry is striving to develop human resource capacity and that the opening of the Orotta College of Medicine attests to this fact.
Healthcare and education and training is very, very important. Opening the medical school was a big step for us, and now going to postgraduate and specialization is a great step indeed. It gives hope to our students who are in medical school now. It gives a chance for our experts in pediatrics and surgery and the other areas to teach it, but to develop the future physicians for this country. That would be a pride.
Commending all those who collaborated in the opening of the postgraduate school, the minister expressed conviction that the school would be one of the best of its kind in the next few years. The medical director of the school, Dr. Haile Mezgebe, indicated that the school came into being in collaboration between the Ministry of Health, the George Washington University Medical Center, and Physicians for Peace. He further pointed out that the school would play a vital role in the development of the health sector, particularly in upgrading the capacity of health professionals. Noting that the school would initially train students specializing in pediatrics and surgery, Dr. Haile explained that the course would be offered by experts from the George Washington University Medical Center, which is one of the most renowned centers in the world.
And negative sentiments are expressed to Dr. Scott. He was able to overcome all of that and seize the potential.
The Dean of the College of Medicine in the George Washington University Medical Center, Dr. Jim Scott, on his part, underlined the importance of human resource development and lauded Eritrea's endeavors and commitment to expand health services. He went on to say that the postgraduate school would bear the desired outcome in view of the Eritrean people's dedication.
That was popular, sung by a singer who sings songs for children. And the song had this saying that went over and over again.
We are very excited to be part of this project in cooperation with the Ministry of Health and Minister Saleh Meki, and the vision that he has for this country of building human resources in health. We are very impressed by what this country has done to make strides in health, but we do realize that creating a workforce for health in all of its capacities, doctors and nurses and everyone, is going to take help. That those resources aren't here, and we are delighted to be a part of this project and working on that.
Moreover, the medical director of Washington, D.C. National Pediatrics Center, Dr. Mark Batshaw, stated that Eritrea would attain the set target in the near future as regards the health sector, thanks to the vigorous efforts it is exerting to the development of the sector.
Children are the future, and they are your most precious resource. And so it's an honor for me and for Children's National Medical Center to participate in a partnership with GW to assure the health of your children. You now have 5 pediatricians for your entire country. That is far too few. And it was the minister's idea that we should develop a pediatric residency program that will provide pediatricians eventually for all of the areas in Eritrea. And the first 8 individuals were chosen to participate in this program from a large number of general practitioners who are already practicing in the country. When the first group of medical students graduate, we'll be able to train even more pediatricians.
Also in the letter he sent, the manager of Physicians for Peace, Mr. Ron Sunars, commended the endeavors being made to provide quality health services to the Eritrean population and added that the opening of the postgraduate school marks a turning point in the development of the country's health sector.
When I had heard about the program, I became more and more excited after I saw the partners that were involved in the caliber of the organizations. And so the decision for me to come for a full year or more really made sense, that it was the best way that I could contribute. I really wanted to be in an area that I could get to know the culture and the people, the children.
And then modify it for what the needs are of the Eritrean people. And one of the things to understand is that surgical care, a general surgeon in the United States has many different duties than what an Eritrean surgeon has, and an Eritrean surgeon has many more responsibilities and broader responsibilities than a general surgeon in the United States. So we modify the curriculum that we're using, so it's an Eritrean surgery training program, but we're bringing the best in terms of knowledge.
In the afternoon hours the same day, President Isaias Afwerki also received the visiting group. In the meeting, the president informed the group of the Eritrean government's vigorous efforts to promote health services on priority basis, stating that human resource development is being given close attention so as to expand health services in all parts of the country. President Isaias expressed appreciation to the George Washington University's cooperation in the sector. Professor Jim Scott noted the significance of the Eritrean government's program to provide postgraduate courses inside the country.
When most of us in the United States think of Africa, we think that the problems are so immense that there is no way of making them better, and it is very depressing for us. When I come to Eritrea for the first time, I find a small country that has done wonderful things for their population in terms of health. You have, in a short period of time, increased your vaccination rate to 84%. Which is excellent. This is a country that wants to do the best for its citizens, and the leadership has been helping to do that. And it's an honor for us to have the opportunity to help you become the best you can be.